Hello everyone, welcome to yet another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is still Simon, and today we're going to be opening yet another box for Yu-Gi-Oh! Alliance Insight. So, without further ado, let's see what we get, and also a bit of an outlook. I have one more boxes for Alliance Insight after this one. And then there's still a by now price reduced, not price reduced, but normalized quarter century Stampede lying around. And after that, we shall see what we do. So, first rare of the pack, it's an Argo Stars Giant Slaying. A super rare actually, in fact. Let's move on to the next one right away. We have a Diabell Star Vengeance for our first secret rare. Lovely. On to the next one. We go. Where we have a Firewall Saber Dragon. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get a World of Spirits. And on to the next one, where we get a Flash of Heraldry. Moving on. Our first ultra rare, a Snake Eyes Vengeance Dragon. That's what I'm commenting. It's pretty. On to the next one with a Heraldic Beast Griffin. And as always, starting, of course, on the right side with a Dragolithia Kunzite. And on to the next one. With another Firewall Saber Dragon. We already know that one. Not very excited, is it? Next one, we get a Toxic Boxfish. Say that 10 times fast. Good old tongue twisters. And a Flash of Heraldry. And then we move to the left side. Where we start off with a Replicate Lead. Moving on, we get an Eclipse Dragon Ruler of Catastrophes for our next ultra rare. On to the next one we go. With a Regenesis Code. And, oh, I can already see it, a Cyberdark Worm in quarter century secret rare. We love it. It's been a while since we got one of those out of the regular boxes. How nice. Then we have an AI Connect. Very cool. And we have an elixir of the glorious golden land. And then we move on to the next one. Where we have an evil twin Kissy deal. On to the next one we go. Another elixir of the glorious golden land. Let's see what else we get. Get a Regenesis Sage for ultra rare number 3, if I counted correctly, which I definitely have. And we get a Malice in the Mirror. And then we're down to 3 packs. So let's see what the last 3 packs holds. We have a Mitsurugi no Mikoto Aramasa. And that's it here. Second to last pack. We have a Cyber Dark Worm, this time in ultra rare. And then we're down to the last pack. Surely this will now hold more value in the form of a Sakura Vendirage. Maybe not. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.